Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you are doing really well and keeping healthy and safe. So today's video I am shopping my stash to do a pre-St. Valentine's Day look, and this is how it came out. Everything is so affordable what I used today, and I used mostly Profusion, and I used the Desert Sage palette. This one has mostly mattes, but you can see it's got some really pretty shimmers. And then next I used the Love You So Brunch palette as well. This is what this looks like. So yeah, I hope you're excited to see that. And with all that said, I'll start the video right now. Okay, so I already primed my eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I also did put a glitter glue primer in my inner corner. So today's palette, I am taking a rather old one in my collection, and it's the Profusion Desert Sage palette. So looking at these colors, they're really pretty. You could go in different directions with an eye look, but because Valentine's Day, St. Valentine's Day is coming really soon, I feel like I want to stick to the pink red tones here. I think it would come out really pretty. So I am going to be taking this shade right here. They do have names, and this one is called Distance. This one is Furless, and it's the ME3. I don't really like that one, so I'll switch to the Love You So Brunch, and I'll take the shade called Creamer. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This one's called Canyon, and I'll use that as my transitional crease shade, and I will be taking my Sigma E40. Okay, so now I am going to be taking this shade called Bloom. You could see these mattes are very powdery, but at least it's not falling out. Hopefully not. And I will be taking this Morphe M453. going to be blending now with the BH number 4. Okay, so for an all-over lid shade from this palette, I don't really see much besides this one and this one. But what's kind of cool about this one is that it's a duochrome, so it looks pink in the pan, but then when you shift it, it's got like a blue tint. And because this is a pre-Valentine's Day look, I don't really want to go for that color story. So, okay, we'll keep it basic. And I'm going to take the shade right here. And it's called Roundless. And I'm just going to be taking my finger to apply it because it looks super, super pretty. And I'll put that all over my lid. Yeah, this shade is super, super pretty. I feel like you could kind of see the glitter in it, but at the same time, it doesn't look like glitter because it's an actual eyeshadow and it's really smooth, it's really pigmented, and I think that this is an actual proof that you really don't need high-end eyeshadows to receive such a pretty look. So I'm going back to the Love You So brunch, and for my inner corner I am going to be taking the shade called Cheers. And I am just taking my small inner corner brush I got from the Dollar Tree. So I am getting a little bit of fallout, so I'll just gently brush it away. Okay, so for a blush shade, I want to take that beautiful pink shade that is like a matte. This one is called Bloom. And I'll use my e.l.f. Blush brush. And for highlighter, I'm taking my L.A. Colors in Glow Time. By the way, I'm using the Spectrum A10 for my highlighter. Okay, so the last thing I am going to be using is a Victoria's Secret flavored lip gloss. And this one, unfortunately, you can't purchase anymore, but I have the shade called More Mimosa. And to add a little bit more fun to the lip look, I'm taking this MAC lip gloss and the one called Starring You, just so I could use this up. So that's it for this look, and here it is up close. So thank you so much for watching. May God bless always, and I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whatever time you're watching, and be safe. And I hope you enjoy something that you love to do, whether it's eating your favorite meal or going outside for a walk. I think all those things are really healthy for us to reset our minds and just to take good care of ourselves. So I'll say goodbye now. Bye.